Do you ever feel like positivity is just ... out of reach? It's like you're constantly chasing happiness, but it keeps slipping away. Something incredibly simple, yet profoundly powerful. Gratitude. What if I told you the secret to cultivating a truly positive mindset isn't about ignoring challenges, but about focusing on something else entirely? Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of gratitude. We'll explore not just what it is, but how to weave it into your daily life, to unlock a wellspring of positivity that's always available to you. Understanding the true power of gratitude. So what exactly is gratitude? It's more than just saying thank you. It's an active practice that rewires your brain, shifting its focus from lack and threat to abundance and blessings. It's a conscious choice to appreciate, and that choice has ripple effects through every part of your being. The more good you notice, the more positive you feel. It's a simple, yet profound pathway to lasting happiness. Our brains are naturally wired for a negativity bias. Regularly practicing gratitude can reduce feelings of envy and resentment. How do you make gratitude a consistent part of your daily life? It's easier than you think, and it doesn't require grand gestures. As you walk, whether it's around your neighborhood or in nature, consciously observe and appreciate the little things. The blue sky, the scent of fresh rain, a friendly wave from a neighbor. When you eat, drink, or use an item, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. The farmers, the delivery drivers, the hands that made it. It connects you to a larger web of appreciation. Turn a mundane activity into a mindful practice. Improve sleep quality. Choose a daily activity like brushing your teeth, making coffee, or sitting at a red light, as a reminder to quickly think of one thing you're grateful for in that moment. Your optimism will become more authentic. Your overall sense of happiness will steadily increase. For the support system you discovered, the universe in essence reflects the energy you put out. Start by simply noticing. Start by appreciating, which in turn transforms your outer experience. It's about cultivating a mindset where positivity isn't just an aspiration, but a natural state of being. When you vibrate with appreciation, you draw in more reasons to be grateful, or for the resilience you found within yourself. It shifts your perspective from being solely focused on the problem to acknowledging strength and resources. Share it with someone who needs a dose of positivity, and subscribe for more insights on cultivating a life you love. What are you grateful for right now? Share it in the comments below. It's a microdose of positivity. Each morning or evening, jot down 3 to 5 things you're genuinely grateful for. Be specific. Instead of just my family, try my sister's hilarious joke today, or the warm cup of coffee this morning. Don't just feel it. Say it. A heartfelt thank you to a colleague, a friend, or a family member not only boosts their mood, but amplifies your own feelings of appreciation. But sometimes, life throws curveballs. How do you practice gratitude when things are tough? Strengthen your immune system in challenging times. Gratitude isn't about pretending everything's perfect. It's about finding the tiny glimmers of light, even in the darkness. And even enhance your relationships by fostering empathy and connection. It's an evolutionary survival mechanism, always scanning for threats. While this kept our ancestors safe in modern life, it can lead to constant worry, comparison, and dissatisfaction, and even improve your overall sense of well-being. It's a deep appreciation for what you have, rather than constantly yearning for what you don't. It's recognizing the goodness in your life, both big and small, and acknowledging its source. Think about it. Gratitude is the antidote, the science behind the smile. This isn't just feel-good philosophy. There's real science to back it up. Studies show that a consistent gratitude practice can literally change your brain. When you express gratitude, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, those wonderful feel-good neurotransmitters. They boost your mood, increase feelings of contentment beyond immediate mood boosts. It creates a positive feedback loop. The more you appreciate, the more good you notice. Cultivating gratitude. Simple daily practices. So, how do you actually do this? First, try a gratitude journal. Second, incorporate gratitude walks. Third, use gratitude triggers. Fourth, express your gratitude to others. Fifth, practice mindful consumption. Overcoming common obstacles. Now it's easy to say be grateful. This is where it becomes even more powerful. Perhaps you're grateful for the lesson learned. Remember, gratitude isn't toxic positivity. It's about acknowledging the full spectrum of life while consciously choosing to also see and appreciate the good. The ripple effect. Your life transformed. As you consistently weave gratitude into your daily routine, you'll start to notice profound shifts. Your resilience will grow. Your relationships will deepen. You'll begin to attract more of what you appreciate into your life. The power of gratitude isn't a magical fix for all problems, but it is an incredibly effective tool for reshaping your inner world. So, are you ready to unlock this simple, yet revolutionary path to a more positive and fulfilling life? 8. Take the first step today. If this video inspired you, give it a like.